Alright, so let's talk about what is affiliate marketing and how you can get started as a beginner. You can do affiliate marketing and make a full-time income in 4 easy steps. Let's go. So what is affiliate marketing? It's essentially promoting somebody else's product or service, and because you are essentially an independent marketer for them, you get a cut of the sale whenever that product or service is sold. Affiliate marketing is happening all the time, but you just might not realize it. Let's check these.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, my affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which work by gathering leads online from search engines and digital platforms and promoting your platform or your link to this leads. Yeah, my leads are organic traffic and they are free traffic. Yes, if you are into affiliate marketing, you know there are 2 types of traffic. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The free traffic system includes the Facebook ad, solo ad, YouTube ad, etc. While there's also free traffic which you don't need to pay for, but that will the results will be by how much you can reach out to people, and that is where I'm coming, because my software is a free traffic generating software. It generates free traffic. Yeah, so when you get my software, I also have a video course which will come with the software, which will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get traffic to your site, our platform, to your affiliate marketing platform, to get great sales like the one you can see on the screen. And remember that my software is not available to Clickbank alone. You can use my software to get traffic on any of your affiliate marketing platforms. As you can see, this is a Clickbank profile, one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine. And my software is self-explanatory. You don't need me really to guide you, but if you need me to guide you after you purchase the software and video course, I'm always accessible to my students. They all know that. So to get my video course and software today, contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today. Enjoy the click of the smart tools that are making edge and making big money on affiliate marketing. Yes, because it's not about the hard work, now it's about the smart work and the chances to take. With my software, you can earn millions while you sleep. Just set it up. It is a set up type of software. You have to just set it up and it will start broadcasting your platform to these organic links online. And remember, I also manage accounts for my students also. If you need me to manage accounts for you, I can manage your account here. I manage account for some of my students. But when you get my software and video course, my video course is self-explanatory. It takes you step by step on how to use the software to get excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. And mind you, some of my students, or let's say many of my students or people that watch my videos, they used to ask me, what is the benefit of me managing your account? Yeah, I want to tell you that there's no special benefit in me managing your account. It's just everything I'm going to do is also embedded in my video course, which you are going to get after you purchase the software. Yeah, so to get the software and video course today and join the clique of the smart ones that are making millions in affiliate marketing now, contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to start making big money on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skywet and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.